Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about why sleep is so important. When we sleep, our body sleeps muscle and our brain clean out waste and store memories. Without enough sleep, we feel tired, cranky, and it's harder to focus in school. Kids and teens need about 8 to 10 hours each night. Here are some good tips for a good sleep. Tip number 1. Pray before you sleep. Praying or taking a few quiet moments before bed help calm your mind, reduce stress, and prepare your body for restful sleep. Tip number 2. Turn off your phone before going to bed. Turning your phone off helps your brain relax and fall asleep faster. Tip number 3. Keep your room dark. A dark room signals to your brain that it's time to sleep, improving sleep quality and helping you stay asleep longer. Tip number 4. Sleep at the same time every night. Going to bed at the same time each night trains your body internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. So, why sleep is important? Sleep is essential for physical health, mental clarity, and emotional balance. Woo! It helps your body repair itself, strengthen your immune system, improve memory, and boost mood and energy for the next day. Bye-bye!